Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress on Ubuntu 16. Now WordPress is one of the most popular content management system that we have, and these are one of the most popular and big names. Those are using WordPress for their websites. Now if we go to the technical part, then the prerequisite for installing WordPress is a LAMP server. The process of which I have already shown in my previous video. If you need any reference regarding that, then kindly watch the first video on this playlist. So I'll be resuming after that. Now we need to install few Apache modules, PHP modules, sorry. Before that, I'll confirm that I have the Apache and Mysql running. So let's run the command. Now that we have the modules installed, let's run service Apache restart once. Now we need to create a MySQL database which will be used by the WordPress installation. So first let's get inside the MySQL and create a database over here. I have created a database named WordPress DB and granted the access to WordPress user identified by this password. Now I'll be plusing the privileges and quitting the MySQL prompt. I already have a phpMyAdmin installed along with a info.php file, so let's download the WordPress files. Let's extract the contents. Unfortunately, I lost the connection to the server. Now that we have WordPress extracted over here, we need to get inside the directory and need to copy the sample file. Now we need to make a few changes inside the file. We need to put in the DB name here, the MySQL user here, and the password. So these are the three changes that we need to make. Now let's change directory permissions. And restart the Apache once. Now let's try opening the website. Yep, so WordPress graphical installation has appeared. Let's put in a site name, random username, password. Let's copy it for now. It will be required later. You can put or leave it as it is. Then install WordPress. Okay, it is a must, so let me provide an email. Now it has prompted for the login after installation. So this is how the WordPress installation is done. This is the password which I used to log into the WordPress admin panel. Now if we go to the site, then this is the sample WordPress site which we can modify or change as per our requirements. So let me make a few changes over here. In the appearance, if we change the theme, there are few themes given over here. We can also add new that are available online. Suppose I use this one, so install it. And activate. Now in the default theme section also you should be able to see that theme. So this is the one along with the other three that were given by default. Now if we refresh our website, so you can see that the website has modified. Now these details can be changed. Everything you see here are text widgets that we can edit and put media, images and other things as per our requirement. We can customize it. Colors, suppose I can make it black. Now if I click publish, it will get live. Menu background, let's change the background color, something else. I can also put image. As you can see, now if I publish it, it should get live. Now this is how the website is looking. I have changed it in a very bad manner. So this is how you can edit and make the changes, put in background images, change color, texts as per your requirement. So there are lots of themes and additional plugins that you can use and modify your WordPress site. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.